If this happens when you turn on your printer, don't worry. It has a solution, and that's what we're going to see in this tutorial. We're going to carry out the following procedure, which is a printer reset. This will restore the printer to factory settings, restarting or resetting the counters. The first thing we need is at least 2 sheets of paper. The printer should only be connected to the power source, not through the USB cable. Disconnect it so we can perform this procedure. We're going to press the stop button and then the power button. Now release the stop button and press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, then release the power button. At this point, the printer will automatically perform the reset procedure. When the light becomes stable, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and once the power button. You'll see it automatically prints a sheet of paper. Now turn it off. That's why I told you to have paper ready, because it will automatically print a page showing the counter at 0. Wait for it to turn off, and then turn it on again. Since it has been reset to factory settings, it will automatically print another sheet. See you in the next tutorial here on your channel, Direct to Animation. God bless you.